Hey guys, in this video I'm going to peel off the protective film cover on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra before using it. So before you can use the actual display, you need to peel it off. So here I'm just going to peel it open. Okay, so once it is peeled off, we can press on the side button here to power it on. Press and hold for around 3 to 5 seconds. You should see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear on the screen. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and set up the device. Now if you have already not done so, make sure you go and get a screen protector or the screen cover to protect the screen, because even though the glass are very strong, you still can get scratches when you place the phone in your pocket. So definitely get a tempered glass screen protector as soon as you remove the screen cover. Thank you for watching this video.